What's going on, guys? What's today? 24th? Christmas Eve, Saturday. So, I'm working on the car. Friday night, I left the truck here. Oh man, I have 15% battery. No way, bro. Anyway, I left the truck here Friday night and I turned it on. What was it, Thursday? No, it was Thursday night. I turned it on Friday morning and it was. I didn't want to turn on, but it turned on at the apartment. I drove it here. But I'm gonna make a fire for my little nephews. And guys, I wanted to show you this. It got supposedly a freeze last night. And I was like, it didn't. Didn't get no such thing. Well, it did. What the heck is this damn freaking saucer here of ice that just froze? Pancho, your ice is frozen too. Oh shit. The ice is frozen, Pancho. Ooh, let's go watch it break. Oh, mother lover. Watch, it's gonna break like. Watch out, kitty. Ooh. Let me turn on your guys' faucet here so you guys can do your dishes. Pancho, that's your new water? Yes. Wow, that's crazy how it's ice like that, huh? I guess it got cold. But Pancho has big, thick, fat, furry fur, right? He's like he was spread eagle, man. Like, ooh, it's cold. It takes your breath away. Right now it's like 34. But it was in the 20s last night. So yeah, so that's frozen. I think my nephews want to see that, so I'll leave that one so they can break that one. They want a fire, so I'm gonna try to get some wood over there, guys. Guys, today, guys, I wanted to tell you that I did some work on the Mustang. And right now I gotta connect a camshaft's position sensor connector. I only got a couple minutes because the phone is 15%. Matter of fact, it's only 14. Let's go. But yeah, check it out. I'm gonna fix that right now, guys. That's the sensor. Where is it? The sensor that goes on the side right there where that screw is. That little screw you see right there? That's where it goes in. So keep this away from getting, it's magnetic, so it can mess up if you have it against like metals or something. So that's what I'm doing right now because I already put on the dipstick. It's on there. The valve cover's on. All the lines are on. All three. The brake booster, everything. That's how it was in the picture, so I'm gonna just leave it like that. So all that's on. I'm moving in that way, you know. So that's the way I'm moving, like that. Oh, I think my camera messed up, guys. It doesn't want to zoom out. I think the phone finally took a dump. So, yeah, I don't know what the heck's going on. So sorry that I'm zoomed out. I got to get far. So yeah, anyways, I'm working from right here like this. So that's how I'm doing it. Someone was making noises over there. Pancho, who was it? All right, guys, and that's it, guys. The truck's running flawlessly, as always. Yeah, sorry, I got to zoom out. It's working so good. But that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.